Alright, so hopefully the microphone works. I'm just using with no adapters to the phone. New shift knob came in for the K-swap. I do like Blackworks, so I'm using the Blackworks 6-speed. So hopefully they did send me the 6-speed. 1, 2. Yep, so I do see it in there, it's 6-speed. So I'm gonna open this up, watching some Eliminate Burrito, 10-pound burrito challenge. So let me go ahead and open this up and show you guys it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reverse. The weight on it is crazy. It is really, really heavy. So I mean, I'm loving that. I love BWR brand, even though they don't make it no more. So it's kind of nice to have this rare stuff. So I'll be getting rid of the GSR knob and putting that to the side because GSR is my favorite shift knob, OEM shift knob. So won't be selling that or getting away. That's always something I'm keeping. This one will be for a car meet tomorrow in Jackson, California. So I'm going to slap this on and see how it looks. So went with gold because I do have the gold lock. I do have the gold hub for the NRG. I did add a new piece to this, which is shifter extension. So now it's very convenient for me to drive because I do sit far back in my seat, and instead of driving like this or driving like this now, I'm not driving like that where I'm leaning way forward. Basically, I just pull this or unscrew these with the Allen key, loosen it up, slide the bar up, and then I unscrew the GSR shift knob, which I added the nut that they provide you from the company I ordered it from. So I'll just slide it all the way down and then add the shift knob. Which I will slide onto here because I only got one hand, so let me go ahead and slide that on. And there you have it. So I did use a 14, tighten the bottom piece to the top. So now it's nice and snug. Line the numbers up with the dots here because those are what's going to be bolting those to lock it in. So kind of crooked still, so let me readjust and get this perfect. So snug the top, tighten it, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Nice shift knob. Feels freaking clean. I don't have a short shifter, so long strokes, but otherwise feels really nice shifting. The weight on it just makes it nice and smooth, lets it pop in really clean. So really digging that. So I'm gonna take my dog to the park and give this a try and see how it feels driving. So I know the summertime is coming, so it is going to be hot. That's why I use this, was it Crown Royal bag. So as you can see, I do like green and I do like gold, so matches. Even the back suspension's actually green and gold too, so that works out pretty good. So there you go. New shift knob. Hell yeah. I did get some new shoulder pads for the seatbelt because I did go stock, so at least now they all match the seats. So there you go. Let me see. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Just a quick little video on a shift knob. So, and I'll take a test drive and tell you guys my review on it. So it's been like 2 days later. Just got back from Jackson, California, Jackson Rancho Rio Casino. Went to a car meet out there and it was pretty good. A lot of really cool, chill people. I'll post a little video so you guys can see all the cars that I rolled with just first. So check it out.
Yeah, 2 hours. Well, no, the meet was really so good. They moved it tomorrow. Wham! They were like,
The ones I'm looking at now, instead of getting 660, is actually the 450.
all right, you ready? One last race. The battery's gonna die. I gotta put it away.
That was just the crew I rolled with. Met a gentleman that had a clean BMW. It was a 4-door M3, super clean, which is here. And the shift knob, the shift extension, driving through the passes. My dog. So driving through the canyon and swerving the turns, I love that kind of style driving. I always been into it. Cousin, she got me into autocross because she used to do it back in the day with her 99 SI. And yeah, so the shifter feels great. Driving for a while though, the extension will come kind of loose. So I just did actually a full turn driving back from Jackson through the canyon, and it feels great. The shift knob does come loose. It feels good. It's cold up there in the mountains, so when I got back in the car, the shift knob was really cold. So that's something. And when it's hot, and when it's cold because it's metal. But the extension it felt great. Shifting through the turns, playing it's good. So nothing else I can say. I mean, I wish I had a short shifter, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I mean, it was really good. I recommend it. It's just aftermarket parts that I found on eBay, and real cheap, bang for your buck. So I did buy the shift knob for $20 and the extension for $17. So now it's at my level when I'm driving, so it's smoother. I don't get me wrong, I do love my GSR shift knob, but I will always keep that on, hold on to it and keep it. So driving wise, 100%, I give it scale 1 to 10, I give that a whole 10. So it was great. So that's pretty much it for the shift knob and the extension. Nothing new yet on a swap because I do have a plan for something else, but I'm not sure yet. So I'll reveal that in next video. So it is 12:15 right now. I didn't gamble because I don't gamble. But yeah, so I'm ready to go to bed and got to get up. It is, well, next day already, so it's Sunday. So I get up to church and then go check on my dad. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Thanks for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe because it will help the channel out. So yeah, and it doesn't cost anything. So help brother out. So all right, guys, be safe and yeah, peace.